This is Spectra 17285. Let's do this thing. Good luck. There's a card for the Magic. We'll randomise. If not, no point. So let's get a massive card for the Magic and do a big random. Yeah, one team left in the MVP. Also, one to look out for is the Contenders Optic. We've had a pretty quiet case so far. Andrew Wiggins, Usman Dieng, and to 25, Meta Radiant, Santi Aldama, and Michael Porter Jr., Menagerie. Tim Hardaway Jr., Scotty Barnes, and to 25, Aspiring Pink, Jaden Hardy. Nothing magical yet, just confirming because I forgot to check. And De'Aaron Foxy to 149. Jaden Hardy apparently very popular. Josh Green, Dyson Daniels, and there's a reason to randomise. Deep Space to 99, Franz Wagner, and Jaden McDaniels to 99. This has been an okay little break. Allen Iverson, James Wiseman to 99. We actually saw a one-on-one of this. Caleb Martin, Catalysts, and Lou Dort, number 2, 149, and that is Spectra 17285. Let's find out who gets the Magic. All right. 5 times, here we go. Good luck to all. Ah, sweet, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Pelicans. 5 times Pelicans on top. Congratulations. That is Spectra 17285.